In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this adjustable thickness wireframe material. I'll show you the old way of creating a wireframe first. We would create a UV sphere, duplicate it, and apply a wireframe modifier to the duplicated sphere. The thickness of the lines can be adjusted from the modifier, but it can't be too thick. If the lines are too thick, the mesh starts to break. This is a material-based wireframe, and we can adjust the thickness any way we like. Here are the full nodes. I'll zoom in shortly. These are all math nodes. We can adjust the thickness like this. One downside of this method is how the line color can't be changed, because the math nodes are connected to the base color node. Since the separate RGB node was used, it seems we're not able to change the color of the lines. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.